Eventually, this raccoon dog's persistence pays off. And his odds of locating more eggs are good. He's got plenty of time. The eggs won't hatch for about 60 days. Hatchlings, lucky enough to survive flooding and predation, make a mad dash for the water. For these coin-sized turtles, life is one peril after another. Just crossing the shore is a treacherous journey. Hovering relatives don't offer much protection. The hatchlings are on their own. Some young hide along the shoreline, floating like leaves, hoping to